Hi everybody, Jimmy Schlosser here. So today I get to do something pretty cool with an office, and I'm installing some tip out bins, 3 different sizes. I have all my tools and essentials here to install these. We had to take down some uppers first, some existing cabinetry we got to take down, so a little bit of demo today. Hopefully we don't have to paint too much behind the wall or behind what's behind the cabinets, and basically button everything up tomorrow. These tip out bins are awesome though. I can't wait to show you guys the transformation, because we're gonna go from enclosed cabinets where you can't see anything to these awesome tip out bins. Great for inventory control and just being able to see everything what you have, and make sure you never run out of anything. All right, so I hope you enjoy the process. Alright, so the old upper cabinets kind of looked like exactly like this. And basically obviously this doesn't have dental supplies in it, but it gives you a good indication of kind of what the other ones were like. Can't see what you have, the space is not organized well, and it's not very efficient. So, progress update, what we've done so far is we've taken those cabinets down. We had to paint, so we're kind of in the middle stage of painting. And then these are what the tip out bins look like. So they're all clear. The way I set this one up, or configured this one, is to have 3 different sizes. So this will be the middle size. This is the small size here, goes up top, and this will be the large size right here. All right, stay tuned. Alright, so we just finished putting the tip out bins. So as you can see, the footprint of these is much less than those huge cabinets, and they're completely customizable too. So you can go much higher, you can go higher if you wanted to, but the only thing is with in order to reach up this high, you'd have to be like 6'5" or so. And so taking into account the assistant and just the average height of any employee, this gives the greatest access to every individual. And all different sizes, as you can see. This is the biggest bin right here, and then the next smallest, and then the next smallest. We have dividers too that can go in between each of these. So what's great about that is basically you can have your, let's say, your cement or impression material, you have it in the left side of the bin here, and then you can have the tips for that impression material on the right side. So it makes it incredibly convenient. And typically the best practice I see with bins is you start alphabetically, and you also try to group it based on procedures. So starts out, basically like A's, so anesthetic, and then crown and bridge, and you basically just kind of work your whole way through and do what you can with the storage that fits. So this turned out really well. Myself and my client are incredibly excited to increase the utilization of these tip out bins and just kind of get an inventory control system in place, and this definitely helps. The next stage I'm going to do on this is basically take our labels. So we have tags and labels, and I'm going to take a tag and a label and put it on the outside of this bin of whatever product is going to go in here. So what's cool about that is basically it's going to have the Patterson item number. It's going to have a barcode on it too, and we're going to use a scanner to basically scan the barcode of the tag that's on the bin. So when you visually see, okay, I only have one more of this, I need to order it, I can simply scan the barcode and then bring it to the computer and order it. So again, visually having this system for inventory control makes it incredibly efficient and convenient. All right, until next time, thank you guys very much.